Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Instagram. So all you need to do is go for your profile, then go for in this three line option. Then you have to go for in the settings and privacy. Scroll down at the bottom and you can see here is the logout to your profile. So click on it and go for logout. So this is my another account. So this is how you can log out um, on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.